Understanding garage insulation, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a practical and interesting topic, garage insulation. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means, especially in the context of English-speaking countries, you're in the right place. Let's explore this concept together, making it easy and enjoyable for all English language learners. First, let's understand the phrase step by step. A garage is a building or a part of a building where vehicles like cars are kept, often attached to a house. Insulation, on the other hand, refers to materials used to prevent heat, sound, or electricity from spreading. So, garage insulation involves using special materials to control the temperature inside a garage, keeping it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. It's a common practice in many homes, especially in areas with extreme weather conditions. Why do people insulate their garages? There are several reasons. Insulation helps in maintaining a comfortable temperature inside the garage, which is particularly important if the space is used for activities other than parking cars, like a workshop or a gym. Energy efficiency. It reduces the amount of heat lost in winter and keeps the garage cooler in summer, which can save money on heating and cooling bills. Noise reduction. Insulation can help keep external noise out and also prevent sounds from the garage, like power tools, from disturbing others. There are various materials used for insulating garages. Some common ones include fiberglass. This is a widely used insulation material that's effective and affordable. Foam boards. These are rigid panels of insulation, known for their high insulating value relative to their thickness. Spray foam. This type is sprayed into place and expands to fill nooks and crannies, providing an airtight seal. Garage insulation can be a do-it-yourself, DIY, project or done by professionals. DIY can be more affordable but requires some skills and knowledge. Professional installation, while more costly, ensures that the insulation is done correctly and efficiently. The choice depends on individual preference, budget, and the complexity of the job. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of garage insulation and its significance in English-speaking countries. Whether you're interested in home improvement, looking to expand your English vocabulary, or just curious about everyday terms, understanding phrases like these can be incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.